Well, the Dontaur group now consists of Dontaur engineering, air subs and aerospace metal finishers. We employ between the three companies about 80 people. We specialise in high precision machine components from steels, titaniums, aluminium alloys, plastics. We've got Boeing approval, Bombardier approval, GKN Aerospace, PFW Aerospace, Cab Aerospace, Thales. This is a standard type of assembly that we do within the Dontaur group. It's an engine mounting for a Bombardier -8 Q400 aircraft. The material is purchased from ThyssenKrupp Aerospace. Whenever the material arrives in Dontaur, it's obviously fully checked and inspected, and all the details with traceability right back to the mill it was manufactured from are put on our MRP system. The initial milling op is really just machining a back face and putting a couple of tubing holes in to aid the following milling ops to come. We'll then usually run the part on two machines, machining off the majority of the material that you'll see, all the recesses, pockets, etc. And then the final op is just skimming around the top end of the part, putting the profile on, etc. before it heads off to the first stage of the treatment. Once the part arrives at AMF, it's booked initially onto their own MRP system. The first op which we've done on it will be a hardness test, which is a 100% hardness test of every part, which is mandatory in all aerospace parts. It will then proceed down to the wet processes, where in this particular part is a passivation process. The passivation is really done to the required specification of the customer. For any aerospace part there has to be 100% crack detection, be it for aluminium, steel, titanium or whatever. Once the part's finished at that stage at AMF, it travels around to the next facility, which is Aerosubs, which does the assembly of the part.
The operator using his drawings and his EPRs or his work to list that he will then manufacture the part or assemble the part.
The parts then they're bonded together, and there's like 22 high locks put through the part, and it's completely sealed. And the part is then sent back round to AMF for the final treatments, which is the green primer that you see on the part now. Once the part has been primed, it goes to the identification machine, which just puts an ink stamp on the part. The whole process from start to finish obviously has to be completely traceable.
As each stage or operation is completed, the operator or inspector would sign or stamp the applicable paperwork to ensure that the traceability right from raw material through the finished part.
Within the machine shop we use the CNC CMM machine, which checks the part off 100% whilst the machine is running. This we can, if required by any customer, give a full printout of each part and every dimension within that part. Over the last 30 years we've become extremely competent in producing the smaller type assemblies with many customers. We're now moving into doing larger assemblies.
We saw an opportunity to manufacture emergency doors for the bus industry. These at the start were built to print for a specific customer. We used that experience then to develop and design our own range of doors for the bus industry. We have over 30 different designs of doors. The skills and expertise gained in the design, development and manufacture of larger components for the bus industry will be transferred back into the aerospace side of our business as we compete for larger assemblies.
We offer a true one-stop shop. We've now moved into the larger assembly field for different customers and offer complete design to manufacture from start to finish on all components.